children, welcome to today's RWI Phonics class. Today's sound is still from the set 2 sounds we've been talking about, and that is the sound. Very good. Now look at this picture. You see the lady, the little girl, and the little boy. Looks like they're taking a spin. That means you're going round and round. Okay, that means they're whirling and twirling. Okay, so when you see this part of the card, I want you to say whirl and twirl. But then hiding behind the card is this sound. Good job. So when you see this part of the card, I want you to say but when you see this part, I want you to say whirl and twirl. Okay, so whirl and twirl. Ready, set, let's go. Well done, children. Now, I will put the sound among some of the other sounds that we've been talking about from the set 2 sounds, okay? And what I would like you to do is, I want you to make each sound, but when you see the sound, I want you to point those 2 magic fingers right at it, okay? Are you ready? Are you set? Let's go. Good job! Now let's practice some green words, shall we? You know how we do it? So watch me do it first. Because first we must find the sound and then talk each sound, and when I pull the word closer, we read the word like this. Dirt. Okay? Look at this one. Whirl. Okay, so you give it a try. Ready, set, go. Good job. Good. Let's keep going. Good. Last one now. Well done. Now get your book and your pencil ready so we can do some writing together. Now, children, our first word today is girl. Girl. How many fat fingers do you think we need to hold up for the word girl? I'll tell you. 3 fat fingers. So go ahead and hold up 3 fat fingers. Good job. Now let's spell the word girl. Girl. So let's go ahead and pinch it. Girl. So go ahead and write it down. Are you ready to tick or fix? Okay, let's spell the word girl. Our first sound is G. And then we have the special friends we just talked about. And the last sound, Good job, children. So go ahead and draw a line underneath the sound. Girl. So let's tick for G. Tick if you got the sound right. And tick for the sound L. Girl. Good job. Our next word is dirt. Dirt. How many fat fingers do you think we need to hold up for the word dirt? I'll tell you. 3 fat fingers. Now let's go ahead and spell the word dirt. Dirt. Let's pinch it. Dirt. So go ahead and write it down. Are you ready to tick or fix? Good. Now for the word dirt, our first sound is D. And then we have the sound. And we have the last sound, T. Draw a line underneath the sound. So go ahead and tick for D. Tick for and for T. Good. Now our last word today is bird. Bird. Now how many fat fingers do you think we need to hold up for the word bird? I'll tell you. 3 fat fingers. Now let's hold up 3 fat fingers, children. Let's spell the word bird. Our first sound is B. And then we have and D. Bird. So let's pinch it. B. D. Bird. So go ahead and write it down. Are you ready to tick or fix? So let's spell the word bird. Our first sound is B. And then we have the special friends and our last sound D. Bird. Now let's go ahead and underline the sound. So now let's tick for B, tick for and for D. Bird. If you didn't get it right, it's totally fine. All you have to do is draw a line across the one you wrote and try again. Okay? Good job, children. Now, what I would like you to do is think of 5 words with the sound and write all the 5 words down. Then pick 3 of those words to form sentences. Go ahead and send us a picture on Google Classroom, okay? Good job today. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.